Car Showcase here, introducing a upcoming 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. So, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser has a really strong body made of high-strength steel, aluminum, and fiberglass, which makes it super durable and lightweight. And with a fuel capacity of around 26 gallons, you can go on some serious off-road adventures without needing to refuel. It's got a length of 203.9 inches, width of 78.3 inches, height of 74.4 inches, and a wheelbase of 112.2 inches. And let me tell you, it can move. It's got a top speed of 120 miles per hour, and can go from 0 to 60 in just 6.8 seconds. Under the hood, it's got a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that puts out 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. And with its bold front grille, LED headlights and taillights, and 18-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires, it's a real head-turner. Inside, you'll find a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a 14-speaker JBL premium audio system, heated and ventilated front seats, and a leather-trimmed steering wheel and shift knob. It's a real luxury ride. Prices start at around $85,000, but if you want all the bells and whistles, you're looking at around $110,000. And let's not forget about the features. It's got four-wheel drive with low-range gearing, a multi-terrain select system, crawl control, turn assist, adaptive variable suspension, a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and the Toyota Safety Sense Suite, which includes pre-collision system, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we'll meet soon in next video.